From swiftlet nests to luxury delicacy, the journey of edible bird's nest. Hello everyone. Today, we're taking you through the entire journey of how swiftlet nests are farmed and processed into one of the most expensive delicacies in the world. Let's see how these birds build their nests, how farmers harvest them, and how they are processed into high-value products. Swiftlets mainly live in coastal areas, nesting inside natural caves. They use their saliva to create nests that cling to rocky walls. Since these nests are highly nutritious, people have been harvesting them for centuries. However, collecting bird nests from high cliffs is extremely dangerous, requiring skilled workers to climb up and carefully remove each nest. Natural bird nest production is very limited, with only about 500 tons harvested per country each year. To meet the growing demand, people have developed sustainable swiftlet farming. Special bird houses are built to mimic natural cave environments, providing a dark, humid, and quiet space for the birds to nest. Farmers use recorded bird sounds to attract swiftlets. Once the baby birds grow and leave the nest, farmers collect the empty nests without harming the birds. With this method, nests can be harvested 2 to 3 times a year instead of just once in the wild. After harvesting, the nests are sent to processing facilities. The first step is sorting them by size, color, and quality. Then, they go through a careful cleaning process where all feathers and impurities are removed by hand using tweezers and brushes. This requires extreme precision to keep the nests intact. Once cleaned, the nests are dried, reshaped, and steamed at high temperatures to eliminate bacteria while preserving nutrients. Finally, they are carefully packaged and ready for sale, with prices reaching up to $5,000 per kilogram. Even broken nest fragments are not wasted. They are used to make bird's nest soup, a highly prized delicacy. Have you ever tried edible bird's nest products? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.